Welcome to YPAC Packaging Technology Co., Ltd. Today, we present the automatic cartoning machine for pneumatic valves and components. Components with wiring are placed into the conveyor compartments for precise alignment. The automated system opens cartons and smoothly pushes the products inside. Pneumatic components precisely fold flaps and seal the boxes for high efficiency. Sealed package boxes are conveyed out smoothly in high quality. The final packaging is firm and secure, providing excellent protection for precision products.